Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Janine, and in today's video I will take a look at the projects that I was working on prior to the market that I attended. So the first project that I was working on was this cardigan. It's a hexagon cardigan for my little grandbaby. And this is the right way. So yeah, so I was working on this. So I did get both sides done. I just have to put them together, and I actually had to get more black yarn because I ran out of black yarn, and I want to do the cuffs to the sleeves and around the border. I wanted to do it in black. I also have another skein of this color yarn. It's called a jean stripe. It's I Love This yarn from Hobby Lobby, and it's called a jean stripe. And so I want to put the cuffs and the ribbon around it, and I want to do the hat the same color in a jean stripe, and then put a black border around his beanie. So that's that I was working on. The second thing that I was working on was this yarn that I had purchased from Temu. It's in the color royal blue. It's wool yarn. I actually purchased this yarn to do a sweater for my birthday, but as you can see, the sweater didn't get in. Instead, the sweater was frogged. Yes, I eventually frogged the sweater because I realized that the stitch that I was using, which was the knotted half double crochet along with the single crochet stitch, those two stitches together, it was eating up the yarn. That knotted half double crochet stitch, it eats up the yarn by itself. So yeah, it was eating up the yarn, so I decided to frog it, and I'm going to use another stitch to complete the project. And then once I get it started and I have some progress in it, then I will show you guys, you know, once I get it started, and I will try to make sure that I am recording my content throughout and show you guys how I progress, and then at the end of the project, how it came out. So this is what I'm working on, along with the cardigan for my little grandson. Now, those are the only two projects that I'm working on at the current moment, and I will complete those. If you, I don't want, what I was going to say is, I don't want to have like several bags, project bags, just, you know, running over, and I'm not completing my projects. So I will complete those two projects before I move forward to some summer projects for 2026. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you like what you've seen in this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you have subscribed, I thank you. I thank you. I thank you to all my subscribers. I'm on the road to 50 subscribers so that I can begin to start doing some lives maybe. So if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. You'll be surprised of the content that I have. I have a lot of things that I am doing in 2026. So subscribe. If you know somebody that may love my content, get them to subscribe to the channel as well. So That's it, guys, for this video. I want to wish you, if you are seeing this video on after New Year's, whenever you get to see it, I want to wish you a happy New Year. I pray that you are safe with whatever festivities you have going on. I pray that you are safe. I pray that your new year is filled with love, joy, laughter, and prosperity. When I say prosperity, I'm not just talking about financially. I'm talking about your health. I pray that you have good health in 2026. That's what leads to longevity. So that you can actually build the wealth or whatever that you need. So I wish you guys a happy new year, and I wish you the best, and I just pray that you have a safe and joyous new year, and I'll see you guys in 2026. Bye.